Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a simple and interesting conversation about the first day at the gym. Let's begin. Hi. So, how was your first day at the gym? Honestly, I was a little nervous. I had never been to a gym before, and I didn't know what to expect. That's completely normal. Many people feel nervous on their first day. What did you do when you arrived? First, I met the trainer. He showed me around the gym and explained how the machines work. That's great. Did you start exercising immediately? Not exactly. The trainer asked me a few questions about my fitness goals and health condition. Then he created a simple workout plan for me. That sounds helpful. What was the first exercise you tried? I started with a 5-minute warm-up on the treadmill. After that, I did some stretching exercises. Warm-ups are very important. They help prevent injuries. What happened next? Then I tried some basic exercises, like squats, push-ups, and light dumbbell workouts. The trainer told me not to lift heavy weights on the first day. Good advice. Many beginners make the mistake of doing too much too soon. Exactly. I wanted to impress myself, but I realized that fitness is a long journey. Absolutely. Consistency is more important than intensity in the beginning. I also noticed that everyone in the gym was focused on their own workout. Nobody was judging me. That's a great observation. Many people avoid gyms because they think others will watch or criticize them. Yes, but that wasn't true at all. Everyone was friendly and supportive. Did you enjoy the experience? Yes, I did. Although I felt tired after the workout, I also felt proud of myself. That's the best feeling. Did you learn anything important from your first day? Definitely. I learned that fitness requires patience. You cannot expect results in one day or one week. Very true. Small daily improvements lead to big results over time. Another thing I learned is the importance of proper nutrition. The trainer advised me to eat healthy food and drink plenty of water. Exercise and nutrition go hand in hand. Both are necessary for a healthy lifestyle.